Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question: does your headphones QCY T9S support wireless charging? And my short answer is not. I'm trying to charge it with wireless charging station and nothing happened, but also it charged our phone, but not the headphones. And also I'm trying to with reverse wireless charging with using my phone, and again it just doesn't work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.